Now we can go for test. After the cuff has been appropriately positioned, start the measurement. Press the on-off button. The pump begins to inflate the cuff. In the display, it will show the increasing cuff pressure. After reaching the inflation pressure, the increasing pressure slowly falls away. The cuff pressure is displayed. During the measurement, when the device has detected a pulse, the heart symbol in the display begins to blink. When the measurement has been concluded, the measured systolic and diastolic blood pressure values, as well as the pulse frequency, are now displayed. If no button is pressed for 3 minutes, the device will switch itself off automatically to save the battery power. If it is necessary to interrupt a blood pressure measurement for any reason, for example, the patient feels unwell, the on-off button can be pressed at any time. The device will then immediately lower the cuff pressure